Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Forest. My name is Bhavesh and in this video I'm gonna show you my crypto mining farm, my Ethereum mining farm. Mostly I'm using RTX 3090 because it's consume less space and electricity as well, and it's easy to manage. I'm also having few RTX 3070 as well and mining the Ethereum only. So let's see how I'm managing this mining farm. Apart from this, I'm having another location as well where I'm using the same RTX 3090 only. So let's see how I'm managing and how many cards I'm having and running right now. So let's see. So guys, here you can see that's my last mining rig. I hope you watched my last video. I guided step by step how to build a mining rig, and this angle I purchased from one of my hardware shop, and I built this case as well. This rig I built myself, and here you can see Zotac RTX 3090 is running. I turned on my flashlight, and two power supplies are there of 1000 watt each, and 4 RTX 3090 you can see here. And apart from this, these are PCs. If we go one by one, here you can see that this is also RTX 3090 by iChill Eno 3D, and if we see here, so this is also from iChill Eno 3D, and this is our newest model of iChill. Some dusts are also here. It's a very common problem in my area. Generally I clean all the rigs once in a week, but still every day there is lots of dust. This is Zotac again. So I have 4 PCs here, another one in the top, and this is monitor for this rack. Generally I connect using a remote software like TViewer or AnyDesk, but sometime in case of any physical issue I just connect cable using this monitor. On the top of this, it's a gigabit switch, and one Wi-Fi modem is also there. And here one more, we have RTX 3090 mining rig. 2 cards are from again iChill Eno 3D, and these 2 cards are from Zotac. And everything is going smooth, and this rig is 3070, and these white color graphics cards are from Colorful company, and this is again from Eno 3D. One beautiful display is also here, and this is again from iChill. This is the Zotac card. Another rig is there. This is small rig. I'm mining Ravencoin. Apart from this, here is my vacuum cleaner and air blower for removing the dust and all. And this is my UPS. If the electricity goes in my area, then I'm using this UPS as a power backup. Exhaust fans are there. Cable management is not very good, but but yes, I know that I'll improve all the things. So guys, this is my crypto mining farm, and mostly all cards are RTX 3090. And apart from this, a few more things I would like to show you. Might be you will not see in another YouTube channel the reality. Here you can see that the cable which was burned yesterday, and can you imagine that? Means it's looking like a cake. It's burned totally, and plastic is totally melt. So guys, this is not easy to manage crypto mining farm, and you should be a technical person, or you need someone who can manage all the things for you. So on regular basis we face some random issues like MCB burnout, and here you can see that I am using power cable. It's a 10 mm power cable. Earlier I was using a 4 mm power cable which was frequently burning, so we decided to change and replace all the cable inside my residence only for this crypto mining room, not for residence purpose. So finally it's working fine, and but yes, if we are running a mining farm, we have to prepare for all the day-to-day issues like switchboard burning, cable burning, melting and all. Currently I'm recording the video in the month of December, so winter, and everything is going on smoothly. Everything is smooth, but when the summer will come, our technical issues will rise, and we have to focus, and we have to perform preventive maintenance as well on day-to-day basis. Apart from this mining farm, I'm also having another location where I'm using RTX 3090 for mining Ethereum. So this is enough for today's video, guys. If you are liking my efforts and want to appreciate me for this video, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. It will motivate me to create a new content for you. And apart from this, if you having any doubt and want to ask any question regarding my mining farm, and if you also want to build your mining farm or want to build a rig, and if you need my help, I'm adding my Telegram channel link in the description. You can directly connect with me if you want to place an order, and if you want to get a best price. I'll help you to connect with my vendor so that you can get a best price here in Delhi. Basically I'm from Delhi, India. So this is enough for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in a next video with new things. Till then, take care. Bye bye.